Tiny learners, are you ready for a musical guessing game today? Let's play some notes. This colorful instrument starts with the letter X. It's played by striking the bars with a mallet. Any ideas? Here's your last clue. It makes a beautiful, melodic sound when you hit the bars. If you guessed xylophone, you're making sweet music. Great guessing!